Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to create this look, and if you guys would like to know how to do it, make sure you guys stay tuned so that way you can follow the steps along with me. So for those of you who have just recently subscribed to my channel, thank you all so much for the love and support. So if you guys are ready, make sure you get your palettes and brushes ready. So we're going to go ahead and get this look started. Alright you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start off by using my Urban Decay palette, and this is a Born to Run palette. So we're gonna go ahead and start using this reef color right here, which is a brown. And here I have a brush, and as you guys already noticed, before I apply my eyeshadow, I always apply the primer, and also I went ahead and applied some tape. You can grab anything that you guys have available with you. If you guys don't want to use it, you just go ahead and skip that part. So we are now going to go ahead and start applying the reef color that I just mentioned to you guys. And here I have a normal regular brush. And I am going to do only one side, and so then afterwards I'll just go ahead and finish the left side, so that way this video isn't that long. So we're going to go ahead and start packing this shadow into the crease. And then we just blend. Now I do want this shadow to go all the way up high, so don't be scared to apply it a little bit higher to the upper brow bone. So now going in with the Morphe palette by James Charles, I'm going to go ahead and use this darker brown right here. And here I have another brush, just a regular brush right here. And we're going to go ahead and grab the color, and we're going to apply it on the crease as well. So I'm going to go ahead and grab, with the same brush, I'm going to grab this charcoal color in black. We're going to reapply it in the creases too. I'm gonna go ahead and go back with the first brown pencil or brushy or whatever, or the shade actually, and we're gonna go ahead and put a little bit more on top just so this doesn't look too weird. So what I'm gonna do next is use my new concealer, which is this 10F by Farrah. This is the one that I got from my HC Glam 5 Plus for this month. So I'm going to go ahead and do a cut crease, and what we're going to do is do a cut crease a little bit higher than a regular one is, just to make our eyes a little bigger. So I'm going to go ahead and apply it right just on top of the lid, but we're not going to go all the way through to the outer V. We just want it like right here in the middle, like that. So let me go ahead and do that really quick. So we're gonna go ahead and grab the shimmer color, which is Stranded. We're gonna go ahead and grab this flat brush, and I'm gonna go ahead and apply this into the lid. So I'm gonna grab this Guild Trick shadow in purple, which is a shimmer color, and with this blending eyeshadow brush, we're gonna go ahead and start packing this right above here. So I'm going to go back with the black shade, and we're just going to apply this in the outer V just to kind of smoke it out. So here I have my Maybelline Master Precise Black liner or liquid liner, and I'm going to go ahead and do the wing. If you guys don't want to do it, you guys can skip this part as well. So for my mascara, I'm going to be using the Tree Cosmetic, and this is the liquid lash extensions in Brine Rich Black, which is another mascara that I got for this month of August from my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. And then after I'm done applying this coat of mascara, I'm going to go ahead and apply my fall lashes. So these are some beautiful feather light feel lashes, and this is from the Allure Cosmetics. I'm going to go ahead and apply these off camera, and then we'll continue on with the rest of the eyeshadow that we need to apply under. So now that I'm done with this side of my eye and applying my falsies, I'm going to go ahead and grab a little bit of this Hell Right color, and I'm going to use this color along with this brown one, just kind of mix it together and put it underneath the eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and apply some highlight using the Vera 105E pencil with this small brush. And I'm going to use the Huda Beauty 3D highlight. I'm just going to go ahead and apply a little bit into the inner corner and the upper brow bone. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this Santorini shade. And to finish up this look, I'm going to go ahead and use the Rimmel London lipstick and number 70, which is in Fairy. It looks like this. Alright you guys, so we have come up to the end, and I couldn't finish ending the video at the house. So hit the bell to stay notified whenever I post a new video, and I will see you guys really soon for our next one. Bye guys.